So hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Shubham, currently studying in MD third year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. Okay, so guys, today's total video is going to be about, is MBBS in Russia safe in 2022? Okay, after the implementation of the NMC gadget, or you can tell it as FMGL rules in 2021. Okay, I'll not be talking about like the advantages or disadvantages of studying MBBS in Russia. I'll be talking about how safe is MBBS in Russia for a student who is given NEET, who is qualified NEET now because the exam was like some days prior, and is MBBS in Russia, considering the rules that have came out, is it safe? Okay, so I'll be talking about this in this video. Let me just give you some formal information about MBBS in Russia. Like, the duration in MBBS in Russia is going to be 5.8 years. Okay, starting 3 years are non-clinical, and then 2.8 years or 3 years is clerkship or clinical rotationship. Okay, and after we complete this course of 5.8 years or 6 years, you'll give an exam, that is GAUS exam, okay, or accreditation exam. After clearing that exam, then only you can get the degree, that is Doctorate of Medicine or MD, which is equivalent to MBBS, but it is called MD in Russia. Okay, and then we'll talk about language, which is an important point if you're thinking of MBBS in Russia, because some institutes in Russia provide the education of MD in Russian also, and some provide in English, and some provide a dual program, that is English plus Russian. Okay, so you have, according to the NMC rules, you have to do your whole course in English. So there are a lot of colleges like which are centrally run or state run, which offer in English. So when you are choosing MBBS in Russia and you are choosing a college in Russia, do keep in your mind to choose a college which gives the whole education of 5.8 years in English only. Okay, but the thing is, when you will be doing your rotations or clerkship, you will get to face some challenges, because the patients will be coming in, they will start speaking in Russian. Okay, so at that time you will feel a bit of difficulty, but in the first year you'll be like learning Russian, so that won't be a problem. Okay, it's the same like in India also. If a patient comes in, he or she starts speaking in Hindi or the mother tongue. Okay, so that is the same in Russia also. So that is like a normal tendency of the patients, so that won't be a problem. Okay, and then obviously in Russia the hostels are very good, the infrastructure is good. Russia is a developed country, we all know, like the infrastructure and hostel isn't a problem over there, because the universities provide with the hostels. Okay, the most important thing that now MBBS in Russia is safe, because that the Embassy of India, which is in Moscow, okay, they released an advisory in which they had written some guidelines. So you can see in the screen, you can see it's written that the medical degree awarded in Russia is called degree of specialist or MD. The duration of UG medical program is 6 years, and it includes clerkship, and a number of Russian medical universities impart education in English. However, an Indian students need to be proficient in Russian language, because he has to go practical training with the local patients. So you can see here it's written, after the NMC gadget, the Embassy of India in Moscow has just confirmed that it is like you don't have any problem if you are studying MBBS in Russia. Like, it matches all the rules that NMC has brought out, so it won't be a problem. So this advisory adds a boost to the MBBS in Russia wala thing, because at this juncture, when the students are very confused where to study MBBS abroad, Russia comes out as a good option. You can see there might be disadvantages or advantages, but it is safe. Like, for now in 2022, it is safe for the students to take admission in. Okay, and guys who are watching the video, do like, comment and subscribe. And guys, one more thing, like, don't DM me, because I don't have that much knowledge about MBBS in Russia, colleges and all that stuff. It's better I'll give you the number of sir, you can call him or text him. In the description you can check that number. Okay, because he can guide you better, he has a better knowledge of all that stuff and all, and he can also give you the number of some students, you can talk to them also. It would be better for you, because you are going to a place, you need to know all about that, like how's the food, infrastructure, is there any problem and all that stuff. So better contact him. And if you're having any doubt related to studies, you can DM me in my Instagram handle. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video guys. Thank you. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe कर दो यार, बहुत जने subscribe नहीं कर रहे हो, please subscribe कर दो. Yeah, so bye.